Illumineers. We are going to be opening Rise of the Floodborn. Let's jump in.
Greetings, Illumineers. The Great Librarian welcomes you to Lorcana Library. Brought to you by Odyssey Games, a place to pre-order new product and play Lorcana every week. The library is open, so let's explore.
Let's open the first box.
Gift set?
Here is the gift set box. It's got a bunch of fun foil cards. Let's dig in.
Dad's gonna open it.
Ooh.
Tricky to open.
Gift set. Of course it's hard to open. Ooh. Okay. What is in here? Ooh. Okay. Let's start with our little pack. This pack. Yeah.
Oh.
Remember, this was easy. Yeah. Okay. You've got a foil Mickey Mouse. Got a foil Mickey Mouse. Foil Elsa. That's really pretty. We've got a genie. A cute little Stitch. And a Maleficent. And look at that Maui.
What do you think of that Maui?
That is pretty cool.
Okay, and we got our first 4 packs of Floodborn. So here, I'll open them and hand them to you. And then you can see what we got, okay?
Okay.
Pack number 1.
We have Chip the teacup. We have Baloo. We have Improvise. And the Knock. That's a cute Rapunzel.
Yeah.
Look at that Rapunzel. Let the storm rage on. We've got Nick Wilde.
Yeah, from Zootopia.
Yeah. Pinocchio. Nana. A darling family pet. Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo. Dr. Facilier. Ooh. That's effusive. And a foil Minnie Mouse.
What's our character that we're building this time? What's the art card in the back?
Ooh.
Looks like maybe a Minnie Mouse.
Seed on Minnie Mouse.
Next pack.
Jiminy Cricket. Boom. Boom.
Hold it up a little bit.
Rana. Cruella de Vil. Look at that. Sleepy. Jafar. Hey. Look at that. Look at his wings.
I know, he's pretty cool.
Rapunzel.
Ooh, nice.
That's a nice.
Another Rapunzel.
Shift. It's a shift.
Yeah.
Fang Crossbow. Falling down the rabbit hole, we have an Alice action.
Yeah.
Mickey Mouse and a foil Cruella de Vil.
Ooh, okay.
Ooh.
And another piece of the art card. Let's see which part we got. Okay, so once we get all the pieces, you can kind of see what it looks like. Here you go. Here's pack number 3.
We have Popsicle from Zootopia. Painting the roses red. Yay! From Alice in Wonderland.
Nice.
Dr.
Hold it back a
Facilier.
little bit so we can see it a little better.
Dr. Facilier.
Oh, I think I see something there in the back, Miss Alice. Keep going.
Minnie Mouse. Panic.
From Hercules.
Yeah. Magic Broom. Bashful. Cruella de Vil. Look at that Cruella.
Yeah, for sure. Yzma.
Yzma. Look, that's creepy.
Yeah.
Another Minnie Mouse.
Queen of
Hearts.
And Alice.
A foil Cinderella.
Not
Look
just
at
a
that.
foil. That's an enchanted.
A s-
That's the enchanted Cinderella.
That is so cool.
Look at that. We pulled it enchanted. Woohoo!
A foil enchanted.
Yeah, nice. Let's put that in a Sisu sleeve. Here we go. Keep that nice and safe. You pulled your first enchanted, Miss Alice. Congratulations. How do you think?
Woo! That looks very pretty.
Yeah,
I like
know.
the art in that one.
That's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous.
And
Another piece
a
of
Minnie
it.
Mouse, wide-eyed diver. It's a wide-eyed diver,
More
Minnie.
of the artwork. Okay, here's our next pack. We pulled our first enchanted, Miss Alice.
Merlin. Crab.
Hold the camera, hold it a little bit
It's a
more.
crab Merlin.
Crab Merlin.
Go the distance from Hercules. Ratigan.
Ratigan. Yep.
Ratigan.
Great mouse detective.
Gumbo pot. The Queen. Ooh. Magic broom. Look at that magic broom. Isn't that cool?
That is very cool.
Card soldiers. Mouse armor. Bell. Look at that bell. I like that. Honest John.
Yep.
Hercules. In a foil mouse armor.
And a foil mouse armor. And look at that. We finished the card art. We finished the puzzle.
Look at that.
That's a pretty cool looking puzzle.
Yeah.
Okay. What are we doing
And
next?
I like that how the art cards are sketched. This one.
The Illumineers trove. Let's take out what's in there. We got the book, the guidebook, the little deck box, the foldable deck boxes,
And more damage counters.
and more packs to open. How many packs did we get?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 packs. Okay, I'll open them.
That one, it has way more.
That has 24 in it.
24.
Here we go. Pack.
Another gumbo pot. Sleepy. Legend of the Sword in the Stone. Raya, it's Kid Raya. Enchantress. Jafar. Corelladiville. Yzma. Queen of Hearts. Noi. Look at that Noi.
Yeah.
It's Noi. Madam Mim.
And a Mim. Nice. And another foil mouse
And
armor.
another foil mouse armor.
I'll put your next pack in here for you.
Popsicle. Painting the roses red. Merlin. Baloo. Ray. Last Cannon. Robin Hood. Look at that Robin Hood. Don't you like that, Dad?
Yeah, I like that artwork. It's pretty cool.
It does deal damage to chosen character. Deal 1 more damage to chosen character. Look at that Cheshire Cat.
That's pretty cool.
That's
I
a
like that guy
pretty
lot.
cool. That's very, very clever for him to blend in with the green smoke in the
Yeah.
background.
I agree.
Blue Fairy. A dragon gem. Sisu!
Sisu!
Woo!
Nice.
Namurai. Namari.
That's our first legendary in this set so far. It's pretty nice. We haven't even
Nothing,
got to the box yet.
nothing to hide.
Eudora.
Adora. Cusco! Cusco.
Nice.
It's not.
I like Llama Cusco.
Yeah, Llama Cusco. When those characters Spanish, you may draw a card. It's like the Flynn Rider. What did you call me? Improvise. Prince Naveen. Snow White. 4 dozen eggs. Sword in the stone. Another Ratigan. Kronk.
Kronk.
Look at that Kronk. An
Royal
Enchantress.
Enchantress.
Crueltyville. Piglet! Winnie the Pooh. Minnie Mouse. Is that Honey in the background?
I think so.
Minnie Mouse. Hypnotize. It's the snake. Beast. Pacha. It's Pacha. Tiana. Dad, look at this Tiana.
That's beautiful.
Cogsworth. It's Cogsworth. Dr. Facilier. Mickey Mouse. And a foil bounce. Dad, it's a foil bounce.
Nice. Go. Next one.
Croquet Mallet. Fidget. Flynn Rider. Jasmine. That's a pretty nice Jasmine. Happy. Hercules. Look at that. Training Hercules.
Nice.
Hercules in training. Crueltyville. Yzma.
Another Queen of Hearts.
Another Queen of Hearts. But that's a different Queen of Hearts.
Yeah. But that's true.
Another Noi.
Nice.
Madam Mim.
Another Madam Mim.
And a foil Last Stand.
Oh. Here.
Jiminy Cricket. Mulan. Donald Duck. Basil. Hold Still. Prince Naveen. Robin Hood. Cheshire Cat. Blue Fairy. Ratigan. The Queen. And a foil Chip the Teacup.
Nice.
That Chip the Teacup is cute.
It is cute, I agree.
Elsa. Tigger. Super Tigger. Hypnotize. Rabbit. Piglet. Charge. Snow White. 4 dozen eggs. Sword in the Stone. Kronk. Cobra Bubbles. And a foil beast.
That's a legendary beast.
Ooh.
That's pretty good. It's another legendary.
Another Merlin. Boone. Arthur. Owl. Sneezy. Jafar. Pacha. Tiana. Cogsworth. Peck. Tactics. Cheshire Cat. Look at that Cheshire Cat.
Hey, that's a really cool one.
Yeah. Binding Contract. And a foil Binding Contract.
Okay. That's all for the trove. Now, are you ready for the booster box?
Yes.
Here we go. 24 packs. Ready to go. Here, maybe we can pull a second enchanted. That'd be pretty cool. There you go.
Happy.
Well,
Jiminy.
make sure to show it.
Happy. Jiminy Cricket. Mulan. Donald Duck. Basil. Jafar. Gaston. Pinocchio. Queen of Hearts. Ratigan. Cogsworth.
That's pretty good.
And a foil Winnie the Pooh.
Look at that foil Winnie the Pooh. That's such a cool card. Next pack.
Hold Still. Elsa. Tigger. Hypnotize. Rabbit. Donald Duck. The Prince. Pain. Binding Contract. Kronk. Madam Mim.
Legendary.
And a foil Minnie Mouse.
Nice.
Piglet. Merlin. Boone. Arthur. Owl. Cinderella. Look at that Cinderella. caterpillar. From Alice in Wonderland. Last stand. Minnie Mouse. Look at that Minnie Mouse. That is beautiful.
That is very beautiful.
Pack tactics. Gruesome and grim. Look at that. It's an action. And a foil card soldiers.
Nice. Here's your next pack. Put them here as we go.
Sneezy. Harry
Grandmother.
Godmother. Lady Tremaine. Gaston. Gumbo Pot. Magic Broom. Lawrence. Bucky. It's Bucky. It's Bucky the squirrel. Bashful. Cobra Bubbles. Lady Tremaine. Whoa.
And a foil Lady
And
Tremaine.
a foil Lady Tremaine. Sleepy. Legend of the Sword and the Stone. Raya. Adora. Cusco. Prince Naveen. Crueltyville. Yzma. Queen of Hearts. The Queen. King Louis. It's King Louis. Dad, look, it's King Louis.
Yeah.
And a foil Hypnotize. What did you call me? Improvise. Crueltyville. Piglet. Winnie the Pooh. Tiana. Robin Hood. Cheshire Cat. Blue Fairy. Falling down the rabbit hole. Look, a second. Honest John in a foil Hercules in training. Minnie Mouse, Hypnotize, The Knock, Snow White, Elsa, Beast, Snow White, 4 Dozen Eggs, Sword in the Stone, Hercules, Arthur, and a foil World's Great Criminal Mind.
World's Greatest Criminal Mind.
Lady Tremaine, Verona, Jasmine, Mulan, Chip the Teacup, Last Cannon, Pacha, Tiana, Cogsworth,
Yep.
Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo, Christopher Robin,
Yeah.
and a foil mouse armor. Mulan, Arthur, Basil, Rapunzel, Dr. Facilier, Benja, Raya's father, Doc, Madam Mim, Snake, Queen of Hearts, Maris's Workshop, and Beast, and a foil, The Knock.
It's a legendary beast, too. It's the other legendary beast.
Fidget, Panic, James, the Queen, Croquet, Mallet, Let the Storm Rage On, Li Shang, Donald Duck, Merlin the Goat, Merlin Regular, Cinderella, and the foil Snow White. Peter Pan's Dagger, Flynn Rider, Basil, Grumpy, Merlin, Cinderella, Gaston, Sardine Can, Mother Gothel, that's a red. This character enters play with 3 damage. But it has 3 damage. So then it would have...
So it has 4
6.
defense, but it comes into 3 damage. It's so Rapunzel could heal it next turn. And you could draw some cards.
Minnie Mouse, Queen of Hearts, and a foil Elsa. My hands are getting tired.
We're almost there. You're doing great.
Facilier, Queen of Hearts, Duke Weaselton. Duke Weaselton.
That's good.
It's not Duke of Weaselton, it's Duke Weaselton. Happy. I'm stuck. Oh, Winnie the Pooh. Hercules. Enchanting. The Prince. Daisy Duck. Launch. Flynn Rider. Criminal. Grand Duke. And the foil Belle.
Oh, whoops. Got ahead of myself. Hold the cards a little bit more up, sweetie.
Tigger. Donald Duck. Owl. Hold Still. Fairy Godmother. Prince Naveen. Fairy Godmother. Zero to Hero. Look at that. It's a Hercules. Little Hercules. The most diabolical scheme. Pinocchio. Basil. And the foil Lady Tremaine. What did you call me?
Hold it up a little bit more. Let's see.
Gaston, Rabbit, Sneezy, Jiminy Cricket, Tiana. Pick a fight. It's Wreck-It Ralph. Ring the bell. Hey, hey, look at that, hey, hey. Hiram, Flaver, Sham. Shere Khan! Dad, it's the Shere Khan!
Yeah, nice.
And a foil Winnie the Pooh. Boone, Verona, Crueltyville, Sleepy, Merlin, Donald Duck, Rapunzel, Fang Crossbow, Card Soldiers, Weight Set, Donald Duck, and a foil Peter Pan's Shadow. Go the Distance, Ratigan, Gumbo Pot, The Queen, Chip the Teacup, Charge, Mouse Armor, Belle, Nick Wild, Pete, and Araya, and then foil Nick Wild. Baloo, Improvise, The Knock, Rapunzel, Cusco, Magic Broom, Pinocchio, Nana, You Can Fly, Mrs. Judson, and Cinderella, and a foil Verona. Peter Pan's Dagger, Enchantress, Duke Weaselton, Mulan, Legend of the Sword and the Stone, Jafar, Eli LaBeouf, Bounce, Pinocchio, Perplexing Signposts, Mickey Mouse, and a foil Charge. Raya. How many Rayas do we have?
There's a lot.
Ray, Popsicle, Painting the Roses Red, Dr. Facilier, Let's the Storm Rage On, Dopey! Judy Hopps. Look at that Judy Hopps. Look, isn't she pretty?
It's a cool card.
Look at that Judy Hopps. Raya. Lumiere. Strength of a raging fire. Jasmine. And a foil Jasmine. Minnie Mouse. Panic. Nothing to hide. Grumpy. Poor Winnie the Pooh. He's stuck. Benja. Jafar. Pain. Caterpillar. Little John. Dr. Facilier and the Sorcerer's and a Foil Sorcerer's Spellbook. Go the Distance, Ratigan, Basil, Snow White, Winnie the Pooh, Cinderella, Last Stand, Binding Contract, Minnie Mouse, Merlin, Beast, and the Foil Pinocchio. Facilier, Queen of Hearts, James, Adora, Croquette, Mallet, Hercules in Training, Lawrence, Bucky, Yzma, Peter Pan's Shadow, Tiana, and a foil Mulan.
And this is your last pack, Miss Alice.
Fidget, Flynn Rider, Jasmine, Happy, Jiminy Cricket, Charge, Curlityville, Bashful, Queen of Hearts, Gaston, Teeth and Ambitions,
Yep.
and a foil the teacup. Dude, that was a art card.
It's okay. Last pack.
Mulan, Donald Duck, Basil, Hold Still, Elsa, Magic Broom, Robin Hood, Cheshire Cat, 4 Dozen Eggs. Look at that Mulan. And Grand Pappy. And a foil Nana.
That's our last pack. What was your favorite thing that we pulled?
I think it was the Enchanted Cinderella.
The Enchanted Cinderella?
Yeah.
That was pretty cool. We've never pulled an Enchanted before, so that's awesome.
Actually, we've pulled a few Enchanteds.
No, we pulled Legendaries, but no Enchanteds. Well, so tell them thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.